We have to talk about Dani Ceballos, his full debut today. There's actually a stat here that says Ceballos had the most touches, created the most chances, and attempted the most passes of any Arsenal player versus Burnley. He is the heart of that midfield, isn't he?
Well, it was today. It was from the very start. He wanted the ball. And Burnley were trying to press him. He showed he can manipulate the ball. He can turn around it in tight areas. I mean, if you're looking and saying that's the swap between Aaron Ramsey and Dani, I like Aaron Ramsey as a player, but he's one pace. Dani's got an injection of pace. He's got a vision. He can get up and down.
Is he better than Aaron Ramsey?
I think so. I think in the modern day game now in the Premier League, if you're a midfield player, you've got to have a change of pace. If you're one pace, then the game's going to pass you by.
There's no doubt about it. He's going to be a big influence for Arsenal this season on that performance. Hang on a second. He's on a year-long loan from Real Madrid. Real Madrid don't have players in their side, in their squad, that can't play. Ceballos can play. He can dictate a game, and he's done that today. He's dominated the ball.
And on that evidence today, I'm telling you now, the next person out from Arsenal is Mesut Ozil. He can't. If Pepe plays like that, he can't get in that side. Where's he going to play? In that side, because the way that he's got his team playing now, sometimes I don't get me wrong, I think Ozil's a player, but what he is sometimes, he's a passenger. Today, Arsenal had no passengers, and in the Premier League, you cannot have a passenger in your side. So Mesut Ozil's either got to step his game up, and we all know he's a talented player, and if he does that, it's game on. Otherwise, I think Emery's looked at this and thinking, well, I think we might be able to cash in here.